In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Binance to Gate.io safely and correctly. First, open the Gate.io app or website and log in. Go to Wallet arrow spot, search for USDT, then tap Deposit. Make sure crypto is selected. Choose the network you want to use, such as ERC20 or ERC20. And Gate.io will show you a USDT deposit address and sometimes a QR code. Tap Copy to copy that address. Now open the Binance app or website and log in. Go to Wallet to Fiat and Spot, find USDT-D. And tap Withdraw. Choose Send via Crypto Network. In the address field, paste the Gate.io USDT deposit address you copied. Then select the same network you chose on Gate.io, for example TRC20 on both sides. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, review the network fee, and double-check the coin, address, and network. When everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal and complete any 2 FA, email, or SMS security checks. Finally, track the transfer under Binance Withdraw History and Gate.io deposit history until the USDT arrives. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.